And finish painting before... What? Finish painting before assembling? Okay, here's a Team Raffee Rover SUV first gen, 1/10 hard body. This is gonna be cool. Let's unbox this thing and start building it. Yay! Can't wait to start building it. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my god, look at all these parts. Oh, fun, fun, fun. Oh, lots of screws. Lots of things to do. Gotta find the manual. Oh, lots of little details. This is gonna be so sweet. Bag B, that's all the windows. Here's the front end. Bag H. Look at the details in there. Gonna have to paint all that. That's gonna be so cool and sweet. And bumpers. Oh, here's the whole front end. Sweet. And bag C, which is some of the windshield, crossbars. Here's the tailgate. Lots of parts. Bag E, which includes the hood, front hood, and the rear end, and some cross members. Cool. And what else do we have here? Side panel in bag D. Wow. That'd be so cool to start putting together. And here's the doors and the roof. Let's find the manual. Okay, here's all the parts, the front end, and all the little tiny screws. There's a lot of little tiny screws. Look at those little miniature hinges. So cool. Let's look at the manual. Okay, the manual consists of a lot of Chinese, and good thing it's English also. Step 1. So basically, that's what you get for a manual to put all the things together. Should fairly go easily into it as long as we follow the steps. Lots of nice work. But what are the first thing to do? You need tools. Tweezers, long nut pliers, side cutters, cross screwdriver. A cross screwdriver. I call that a Phillips, but anyways, that's beside the point. 1.5 hex. And finish painting before... What? Finish painting before assembling? Ooh, boy. And before painting, you should remove burrs and clean ABS plastic. My God. That means I cannot start assembling now? But I can't. I can't paint right now. We're in the middle of winter. What am I going to do? Darn, I got to find a solution. My garage is not heated. And it's freaking cold outside. That's where I usually paint. Like, how can I paint? It's minus 17 Celsius outside. And in Fahrenheit, that's like 2 Fahrenheit. There's no way I can paint. Oh yeah, I remember. My next door neighbor heated his garage. Let's go in there. There we go. I identified... Darn, that guy's making a lot of noise over there. He's fixing his garage. There, now that he finished vacuuming, geez, you come to a neighbor's garage and he makes a lot of noise while you're trying to make a video. It's terrible. So basically what I'm trying to do is actually paint underneath first. So I want to paint all the parts underneath so it's easier, and when I turn it back around, I'm not going to wreck the paint or anything. So I'm trying to paint everything from the underside right away. Okay, there we go. Coat is done real quick. I'll wait till it dries and then I'll put another coat on there on this side, and then I'll flip everything around and paint on the other side. There we go. I just gave a quick second coat on there. So I'm going to flip everything around and do on the other side. Bounds to plastic or wood and metal. So it's a multi-surface and it's a quick dry. So it makes it nice and easy for me. There we go. I just flipped everything over. Now time to paint on the good side. Well, this is fun. I can paint, and while the paint dry, I can watch a tournament on a 60-inch TV. Cool! Time to prime the little tiny pieces. Right there, a friggin' air. How did that air get in there? Anyways, that's why we're gonna have to sand it down a little bit. Here comes some wet sanding. So I decided to come over and help Kevin, so I'm actually watching him work. So that's kind of help I'm doing. I'm filming, watching the errors he's making, like dropping all the foam on the ground. So if you're gonna work, don't work under him. There we go. Just finished painting the primer on there. Looks good. I'm happy with it. Flat black primer. Darn, you get in the house and you sit down and you notice you forgot a bag. Darn! I gotta go back and paint. Now, gotta let it dry and figure out if I'm gonna paint it right away or wait till the whole truck is actually built to actually paint it. But it'd be better if I paint it now before assembling it like that. All the inner cracks and all that is gonna be the body color. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful, and we'll talk to you later. See you for the next part. Thanks. Oh, don't forget, leave a comment and give a thumbs up. And don't forget to ring the bell to get notified when I upload more videos. Talk to you guys later. Bye.